Can someone explain to me how this small laptop, this small thing, is able to play graphic-intensive games without a power cord connected to it? This alone is a big feat, but it doesn't end there. Meet the ASUS Zenbook S14. It has the smallest footprint of all 14-inch laptops. And thanks to the new Intel Core Ultra 200V series processor, it's powerful and power efficient. Also, the battery life is incredible. Is this the ultimate portable 14-inch Windows laptop in the market? Well, keep watching to find out. This laptop is available in Zumeya Grey and Scandinavian White. It comes with a sleeve, the ASUS Pen 2.0 for the version that supports touch, and a 65 watts Type-C adapter. This laptop is super light, only 1.2 kg, and it's 1.1 centimeters thin. Check out the material ASUS used to make the laptop lid. They call it Ceraluminum, a combination of ceramic and aluminium. It is scratch resistant and it doesn't attract fingerprints. Plus, it feels smooth. Like most modern ASUS laptops, this laptop meets the MIL STD 810H military standard for reliability and durability, so it's not fragile. For the ports, this laptop has an HDMI port and two Thunderbolt 4 ports for display and power delivery support. You can connect this laptop to up to 3 monitors. It has a 3.5mm audio jack, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port. Sadly, there's no SD card reader and no Type-C port on the right side. Now you can use one finger to open up this laptop, and with Windows Hello, it quickly authenticates and lets you in if you're the owner of the laptop. Now check out the grills at the top of the keyboard. It has a geometric grill design with 2,715 CNC machine cooling vents to help dissipate heat. Now these grills are not just there for design, they can boost airflow by 50%, allowing this laptop to stay cool. Moving to the keyboard, it feels nice to type on. It is backlit and you can quickly get used to it and type fast on it. It has the function keys at the top, and at the bottom, there's a dedicated Copilot key to summon Windows Copilot, your everyday AI companion. You can use this AI to assist with your writing and proofreading. You can ask it any question basically, and it's actually quite good in helping out with assignments and other tasks. Moving to the touchpad, it's large and responsive. It has a hydrophobic and anti-fingerprint coating. ASUS claims that even after 10,000 slides, the touchpad will remain as smooth as brand new. Now this touchpad has smart gestures. You can control the volume, screen brightness, video playback, and launch screen experts. It supports multi-touch gestures. You can use 3 or 4 finger shortcuts to launch frequently used applications. Now, some of you might not know this, ASUS is the #1 OLED laptop brand worldwide. So it shouldn't come as a surprise when I say this laptop's display is fantastic. The display is a 14-inch 3K OLED panel with an aspect ratio of 16:10. With that aspect ratio, you're going to see more information on the screen. The bezels are slim, the screen-to-body ratio is 90%. It's a bright display with peak brightness at 500 nits. Watching movies with this laptop is perfect. It has good viewing angles and the blacks are black. It's also a VESA certified display and supports HDR content. The colors it shows are vibrant and accurate. It is Pantone validated and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Now, if you're like me and spend a lot of time in front of a screen, the display emits 70% less blue light, which is good for your eyes. Plus, the version I have here supports touch, and with the ASUS Pen 2.0, you can draw and even sign documents with it. Now, remember when I said this laptop can play graphic-intensive games while it's running on battery? Well, that's because of the new processor inside it. It comes with the latest Intel Core Ultra series processors powered by the Lunar Lake architecture. These new chipsets are designed to be more power efficient while delivering leading core and graphic performance with good AI capabilities. In the series, there's the Intel Core Ultra 5, 7, and 9 processor. The Intel Core Ultra 7 processor powers this laptop. Now, the distance between the CPU and the memory has been shortened, enabling higher bandwidth and lower latency, making this laptop more stable and increasing its performance. It comes with 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Now, this laptop comes with a new NPU, the Intel AI Boost NPU. It delivers 3 times more top TOPS over the most recent generation, up to 48 TOPS to accelerate AI computation with low power. It also comes with Intel Arc graphics, and I was surprised by how it handled games. I played Modern Warfare on it and it ran the game well. I mean, it was able to even run this game with no power cord connected to it. I was also able to play Forza 5 and it played the game well. Now, this isn't a gaming laptop, but it can handle graphic-intensive games just fine. This is a perfect laptop for executives or students who want a portable, slim, lightweight laptop for work or school, and when it's time to unwind, you can launch a game and it will handle it without stress. Plus, when you're pushing this laptop hard, the fan noise doesn't get unbearable. Now for video editing, it did okay. This entire video was edited on this laptop. Now, if you're not a gamer or a video editor, you're still going to love this laptop. It's a good laptop for programming and for the office. Now, the battery of this laptop is impressive. It's one of the best I have ever used on a Windows laptop. It has a 72 watt-hour battery, and from my usage, you can take it to work and not worry about the laptop dying on you. Charging is also fast using the 65 watts charger, and you can even use a power bank or even your smartphone's charger to charge this laptop. The webcam quality, well, it's not great, but when you have enough light around you, it's okay. Alright, this is what the 1080p webcam looks like. What do you guys think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. It has 4 speakers tuned by the engineers at ASUS and certified by Harman Kardon. They sound good for a 14-inch laptop. Now, for the price, at the time of making this video, this laptop cost around $3 million or $1,800. But I have a feeling the price is going to come down. So for the latest price and where you can buy it, you can check the link in the description of this video. For the pros, it's a small laptop, it's thin, lightweight, and the build quality is great. It's a powerful yet power-efficient laptop. It has a vibrant 3K OLED display. The new Intel processor is powerful and the battery life is superb. For the cons, well, it doesn't have an SD card reader and also it doesn't have a USB Type-C port on the right side. And that's about it. I honestly think it's the perfect 14-inch Windows laptop, but what do you guys think? So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be useful, hit the like button and maybe subscribe. Thank you for watching once again, and I'm going to see you guys with more content like this. Follow Reviews, signing out.